What's up? Welcome back. We back again. I already know this. You know this. Well, you know this now because you're here. And welcome here. Okay, welcome back, my warrior brothers and sisters. Anybody new, welcome. Like I just said, please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell, whack that like button. We got Aesop. All right, and don't play. Don't play. Whack that like button. Aesop again. Yes, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, my tooth hurt. And I just bit down on it. It hurt a little bit. I had somebody tell me that was like, hey, she reacted to a lot of Aesop's newer stuff. Check out some of his older stuff. You know, it was a different style, different sound. That's fine. I don't mind it. I love going back to old stuff because I like to see like the change over time with anything and anyone. That's the beauty of actually listening to someone for a while. You get to hear and see how their music changes and evolves. However, we got no jumper cables. And I've been asked to react to basic cables. We're going to do that one too. But right now, we don't have no cables. Okay, no jumper cables. So we're not starting on that one. Caught that. Did you catch that? That was a good funny. All right, let's go. Oh my goodness, what's going on with this plate? Plate. I don't know. Why are you asking me all these questions?
Train buffers, my fancy. Up jumps the boogie, delivering eye jammies. Flow through the muck with a clutch when I tried it. Never get fucked how far pie. You ain't dealing with a reborn.
Walk right in front of a bus, boy. He don't even care. He just walked right in front of the bus. Okay, this is about to be a lot. And this is freaking 9, almost 10 years ago, done. This dude talking like this. All right. Get ready to listen.
Train buffers, my fancy. Up jumps the boogie, delivering eye jammies. Flow through the muck with a clutch when I tried it. Never give a fuck how far pie. You ain't dealing with a reborn ice poltergeist. Up rocks, sidewalk cycles, stuck at the bus stop. Wookie wood must not sleep under the invaders. No batteries, no jumper cables. Wired under rangers, play box cutter, facelift, rock cutter, makeshift spirit. Y'all, I'm just a funny moniker with a couple of fresh records and a banging hand start up with the jookies on a guest list. Walk for that, metal train rap brainiac. Walk for them, not a limelight. Word of blush, Elizabeth Crimson. When I'm multi-million tin men talk traditional rituals out the hearts of starving children. And I bet they can see the city bleeding from the satellite. Formed by the corporate war drums recorded poorly. Dirty dub band, bruised by the hues of wicked pallets. Chewed by the tooth of living maggots. Dino DNA and call us straight no chase. Stars attacks colorful miss rappers and motherships. Hazy days to stay purple. Word of blush, Elizabeth Crimson.
Okay, give me one moment. I'm loving it, but yo, it's a lot. This is crazy. And people want me to react to None Shall Pass. No. What? No, I'm not nowhere near ready to listen to that one. Too much stuff is just gonna fly over. Too much. Too much. Like the entire song probably fly over my head from what I hear.
Brainiac, walk for them, not a limelight. Word of blush, Elizabeth Crimson. When I'm multi-million tin men talk traditional rituals out the hearts of starving children. And I bet they can see the city bleeding from the satellite. Formed by the corporate war drums recorded poorly. Dirty dub band, bruised by the hues of wicked pallets. Chewed by the tooth of living maggots. Dino DNA and call us straight no chase. Stars attacks colorful miss rappers and motherships. Hazy days to stay purple. Sips with a Z bargain like Crazy Eddie commercials. That work with a dirt devil. Burn train buffers. High. The way your little parasol spins by. Suck my Neanderthal dick. Catapult spin. Grooves and the screws and bolts. And all they heard screws go and bolt and soak and bolt. Zap radio. Mayhem fine. Suicidal eye full of plastic knives. Bang. No bad, no jumper cables. No bad, no jumper cables.
Nah, I ain't running. Hell yeah, I'm bombing.
Come on. Catapult, jump, motherfucker, no battle. Catapult, jump, motherfucker, okay. fuck the name stuck to the train. That's the textbook page. My seat up in flame. Jump, motherfucker. Catapult. Jump, motherfucker. Okay, curators cater to killers of innovators. I'm a stay no battle. No jump, train.
Oh my goodness, bruh. Sometimes I ask myself too. I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes I ask myself why I put myself through this with listening to his music at first listen. But once I listen to it and I start listening to it more and listening to it more, I feel better and I understand a lot more. But yo, it's like your head gets filled with words that you don't even understand or know. I love Aesop. I love Aesop.
Curators cater to killers of innovators. I'm a stay no battle. No jump, train bumpers like a headlock. Nurses a craft and concrete visionaries. Cave painters screaming loosen the cuffs. Cave paintings get the natural history feather duck. Pick a lust. Limo 10 stretch DeLorean chrome. Sitting on 20s, then I walk to the stove burning my laundry. Low pro. Fucked up jeans back at a party spitting cane meats. Flight of the Valkyries in a heartbeat. Saber team, catalog, city art, literary Rex and David and Clay maximum efficiency. And isn't that dope? The line of blind winging pie and had it while I'm planking to the map most. Blind and Bibles, graph like prison violator. Joshua for the war gamer system. Now the architects are rioting cause we built something different. How the fuck short shot evolution, not my business. My elephant television was on. Grape soda, grape ape, great space coast. D&D, G.I. Joe, Transformer, Herculoid, Thundercat, Voltron, Speed Racer, Space Ghoster. Kiss the flickerman images with Carolyn fingertips. C44 chamber skips. Oh shit. They say his eyes were spiraling back when he hit the mat. Well, first words. Oh, it's like that. Started bending spoons and ripping arrows at a lady hawks with a C3P unit trying to interpret the baby tour. Train bumpers. Right turn with a Mr. Iceberg. Fine. You don't like her kind. Do you? Junkyard dog. Hot tin roofs. Cradle kittens with them subpar floors. Rapping is my radio. Graffiti is my TV.
Rapping is his radio.
Boys keep them windmills breezy. Catapult. Jump, motherfuckers. Back. Catapult. Jump. Okay, came to fuck the name stuck to the train. That's a textbook page. My seat up in flames. Catapult. Jump. Back. Catapult. Jump. Curators cater to killers of innovators. I'm a stay no battle. No jumper cables. Catapult. Jump. Back. Catapult. Jump. Okay,
a lot, man.
Fuck the name stuck to the train. That's a textbook page. My seat up in flames.
My head.
Jump. Back. Catapult. Jump, motherfuckers. Okay, curators cater to killers of innovators. I'm a stay no battle. No jumper cables. Don't get cooked by a pile of light. I can smell metal in the air tonight. I can smell metal in the air tonight. I can smell metal in the air tonight. Don't get cooked by a pile of light. I can smell metal in the air tonight. I can smell metal in the air tonight. I can smell metal in the air tonight.
Or air from the train? Bruh, that was so freaking much. Yo, what? Oh my goodness. I'm not even gonna lie, bruh. People be wanting me to react to stuff from Aesop. A lot of stuff go over my head. I catch little on my first reaction, and I give you all the first listen if I react to it. It's the first listen of whatever. Oh my goodness, what the heck was I listening to? Are the lyrics down here? No, the lyrics are not down here. Man. No jumper cables.
Innovators, I'm a stay no battle. No jumper cables. Train bumpers like a headlock. Nurses a craft and concrete visionaries. Cave painters screaming loosen the cuffs. Cave paintings get the natural history feather duck. Pick a lust. Limo 10 stretch DeLorean chrome. Sitting on 20s, then I walk to the stove burning my laundry. Low pro. Fucked up jeans back at a party spitting cane meats. Flight of the Valkyries in a heartbeat. Saber team, catalog, city art, literary Rex.
Bro, I don't know what he talking about, man. I might have to look up what the heck he talking about if somebody don't comment it by the time I do. Man, that freaking, oh my god, guys, what the heck? That was a lot, yo. I don't even know how, he said so much stuff. And I could not find lyrics. I could not find no lyrics for this whatsoever. And I wanted lyrics for this. I just could not find none. I don't know what the heck, man. Anyways, this your boy, Mr. WaCK, man, Mr. WaCK. And we just got finished listening to a lot of stuff that I can't even process entirely. I can't even process it 25%. Not even 20. We might go down to like 12. Okay, 10. I could process 10%. God, I gotta listen to this over and 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 over. Aesop fans know what I'm talking about. All right, please make sure you whack that like button before you leave. That's your man, Mr. WaCK. And until next time, much love to you, my brothers and sisters.
Congratulations, you won.